Notion templates for productivity pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think templates are just decorative layouts. The surprising truth is that a well-designed Notion template can save hours, organize workflows, and increase productivity, but pricing reflects complexity and features. Free templates often cover basic to-do lists, habit trackers, or note-taking setups, are great for beginners who want simple organization without spending a dime. Paid templates, one-time or subscription-based, include advanced dashboards, project management systems, and integrated workflows. These are ideal for freelancers, small teams, or anyone managing multiple projects at once. Premium bundles often provide multiple interconnected templates, tutorials, and lifetime updates. Professionals and businesses use these to standardize processes, collaborate efficiently, and scale productivity. Most people get this wrong by assuming free templates are enough. The real value comes from time saved, improved workflow, and customization features. Investing in the right template pays off in efficiency and focus. In conclusion, Notion template pricing varies by complexity and features. Choosing the right one ensures maximum productivity and the best value for your money.